Welcome back to the Vernon Speakeasy YouTube channel. Again, I'm your host, Josh Moy, teaching how to make a classic tequila sour. For those of you who watched our whiskey sour video, this will be very reminiscent of that. It's basically the same framework and ratios, but instead of featuring a bourbon whiskey, we'll be using 100% blue pepper agave tequila. Technically, both the whiskey sour and this tequila sour are considered daiquiris because they follow the same framework of 1.5 ounce to 2 ounces of spirit, and then equal ratio, depending on flavor profile, of simple syrup and citrus juice of some type. In this case, for the tequila sour, we're going to be using lemon and simple syrup. Let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and got a double rocks glass, chilling with some ice ahead of time. That way, when it's poured, it's nice and chilled for you. And I already got some ice in my shaker tin as well. Now, let's go ahead and start with our cheapest ingredients first, because that's just good bartending. We're going to do 1 ounce of each, lemon juice and simple syrup. Beautiful. Now we're going to take that 100% blue Weber agave tequila. This is El Jimador. Again, it's part of your cocktail kit. 1.5 ounces. Now, sours are the easiest classic cocktail to learn how to make because they teach people about balance. This is also a huge topic we cover in our bartending classes. If you'd like to take those, they are a blast. They've been selling out really fast. Let's go ahead and shake this for 10 to 15 seconds though. Beautiful. Now this cocktail is simple. You only got 3 ingredients, so it's easy to mess with your balance points. Now as far as garnish goes, this one's really simple to garnish. You can do a couple things. For a classic sour, most of the time people will just go ahead and do a nice bada bing maraschino cherry, but I'll show you guys a little bit more elevated way to do it. I'm going to take a nice lemon here. I'm going to slice just a tiny, very thin coin so the weight of it doesn't fall underneath the wash line of my spirit. And then I'm going to take that cherry, if I don't drop it all over the place, skewer it like this. Boom. Now you have a elevated tequila sour. Very tasty, very good looking. Last but not least, all that's left to do is taste it. Cheers. The agave notes come forward in that tequila because it's really good quality. Then you have fresh citrus juice and house-made simple syrup. Very simple, you can't go wrong.